So, good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now, let's take a look at what we would be expecting this week on EURGBP. So, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like, share, also make your comments. I definitely would love to watch out for it. Also, if you are yet to follow us on Telegram, the link to the Telegram channel will be in the comment section. So, make sure you click and follow us on Telegram. And also, you can join our 7 days free trial on Patreon, whereby you get to trade with us free for good 7 days. So we'll be putting out some entry points, some exit points, and take profits. We would want to be trading. So if you want to trade with us, the link to the Patreon channel will be in the comment section. So when we take a look at this GBP, this is clearly a downtrend move, right? We can see a lower lows and a lower highs, no doubt about that. So with this movement right now, we'll be expecting something on, I think, on Tuesday, which is the climate count. We don't know what the news will actually come out, but let's see what will actually play out. Then from there, we are going to put out more updates. I'll be giving out more updates on the Patreon channel. So if in case you're interested, you can check it out. The link will be in the comment section. The link to the Patreon channel will be in the comment section. But with what I'm seeing, I expect a correction to play out, then a continuous downward movement. That is exactly what this technical aspect is showing us, a correction, then a continuous downward movement. If there's going to be any changes, right? If there's going to be any changes, I'm going to give an update on it. So if in case you're interested, check it out. But like I said, a correction should play out, then a continuous downward movement. And we should continue this downward movement to a level of, I think, a level of 84, 0.84903. At least around that level of 0.84903, we should be expecting more drop on Euro GBP.